I get this question all the time. Birding, what are the most common beginner mistakes in YouTube automation? The big one is treating automation like hiring, when it's really a systems game. Most beginners make 5 mistakes. First, they pick a niche because it looks easy, not because they can consistently find strong topics. If you can't list 30 clickable video ideas before you start, the niche is probably weak. Second, they hire too early. Don't build a team before you've proven one video format, one packaging style, and one audience promise. Third, they optimize for cheap instead of clear. A cheap script, cheap edit, and cheap thumbnail usually creates an expensive channel because nothing performs. Fourth, they obsess over uploads and ignore retention. Your first question after posting should be, where are viewers leaving and why? Fifth, they have no feedback loop. Every video should teach you something about topic selection, title, thumbnail, hook, or pacing. Here's the decision rule. Don't scale until you have a repeatable process for research, scripting, packaging, publishing, and review. Once that exists, tools like Satura help keep that workflow in one place. Avoid those mistakes, and you'll save yourself a lot of wasted time and money.